Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to add a baby to your Ryanair flight. Now, you need to book a flight, for example. We're gonna just stay with the default here and then just choose our destination, maybe to Austria, right? And then choose the airport, maybe Vienna, there we go. And then choose the date, maybe 18th all the way to 3rd, there we go. And as you can see here, there's an option for infant. This is baby, so under 2 years old at the time of travel. All you need to do is click on plus, right? Flying with an infant. Infants under 2 years must sit on adult's lap. The infant will automatically be linked to the first adult, age 18 plus, on the booking, which is going to be you. Fee of £25 or euros or local currency equivalent applies per infant per one-way flight. So click OK. Again, all you need to do is press the add button or plus button to add your baby and click done, right? And then you go search for a flight. It's very straightforward process. Choose the best flights available for you, given the dates that you're going to be flying and going to another country, and you'll be good to go. So pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.